everyone, this is Indrik from DC-9 project again with another update of the status that what we're doing now. I've been doing a lot of programming before. I got an application that is controlling the instrument panel, and the only thing that was missing was the fuel quantity gauges, which are right here on my table. As you can see, they are showing something, and that's not something, that's the value that is displayed in the Cool Sky DC-9. So if I go to the left fuel indicator, it shows now 7,277, and I've got here 7,260, now 80, so that's the 70 more or less. And the center fuel tank is empty, and the right shows 100 less. That's because the APU was started from the right engine. And the totalizer that calculates the amount of the fuel in all three tanks and displays the total fuel quantity. So that are the four gauges, or the three main that are going into the engine panel, and the four that is on the captain panel here, because the totalizer in Cool Sky DC-9 is this gauge, but we have here the standby gyroscope, and the total fuel quantity is here, so that's the only difference. But I'm en route to Frankfurt Main. We are only navigation, and you see these units are just displaying less and less fuel is in the tanks as the fuel is consumed by the engines. Sometimes it shows more because the measurement of the fuel quantity is based on measuring of capacity. Now I will tell you how it works. The full scale of the 9,280 pounds on each of the tank, left and right, is changed about 420 picofarads. That's very low value in the capacity, and this shows 6,080 pounds, which is changing about 320 picofarads. You cannot do it with a varicap or anything, because you only need two wires to be connected to a single capacitor. So and you just need one capacitor to two wires. Nothing else can be connected there, otherwise it will not work. So I've solved this by using the variable capacitors, which I have 1, 2, 3 here. This one is for the center, it's on 0 position. This one is for the left fuel tank, and this one is for the right fuel tank. These are controlled by a motor here. This is a small motor with a gearbox right here. Here is a gearbox, and here this is the motor. That is moving the shaft of the. This is the shaft that is moving the shaft of the variable capacitor, and that way it changes the capacitance that is then measured by this instrument. There are two large gears here, and that's because I need to know the position of the shaft, and that's done by, I have a pot here that is connected to the shaft as well, and it goes back to one Arduino. So the Arduino is controlling the movement of the motors via the gauge bridges here, and it's sensing back and it reads the values from the pots that so that the Arduino knows where it should be. And this way I'm able to control these gauges. It was a big challenge to make this, because these instruments are originally comes original from DC-9. They've never been opened, so the seals are intact, and these are very clever gauges devices. As you see, there is a maintenance symbol here shining. I don't know why that is, but I will find out maybe later, because on the fuel quantity test switch, if you press it and leave it pressed for some seconds, it goes to its maintenance mode and it shows you codes of the errors that are coming into the instrument. So I'll do that later. But this is, guys, I'm very happy that these instruments are working, and the next thing is put these three variable capacitors into a boxes, which then they will be mounted into our aircraft. And I think that's it for today. I hope you like my video, and I will record another one when I have anything new on our DC-9 project. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.